Hi, welcome to Jovie's home. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday in December. That feels so weird to say. Anyway, today's video is a little bit of a different thing on my channel. It is going to be a much more kind of relaxing, kind of chill video with a little bit of music. If you guys want to grab a glass of wine after a long day of work and you just want to like relax, that's kind of the idea here. So today I'm going to be showing you how I decorate my house for the holidays. Look, you guys might be saying that it's too early. When the time that you see this video, Sinterklaas is not yet gone from the Netherlands, so he's still here. I know a lot of Dutch families, they decorate for the holidays after Sinterklaas leaves. I don't, and the reason for that is that I just love the cozy vibe of all the Christmassy things. As the days are shorter and it's darker outside, I just love to have twinkly lights on in my house, and I want to enjoy that for more than just like a couple of weeks. So it's also a lot of work, so I want to enjoy it to the maximum. So yeah, you guys are going to see that I have a lot of Christmas stuff, and please don't judge. I mean, you can judge, but just know that this is stuff that I have collected over the last 11 years. So it's not something that I just went out and bought for the channel, or it's not like some kind of expense that was crazy. In fact, I haven't bought a single thing this year for Christmas. So everything that you're going to see is just like bits and pieces that I've collected over the past X amount of years. And also my mom, she didn't do this for her job, but she should have been like a professional Christmas decorator. She always had the most beautiful themed kind of Christmas trees in our house. I think this was like her way of expressing her artistic side. She always had something different going on and just something so beautiful. And so I really, I guess I picked that up from her. In other years, my mom and I would always decorate the house together. This year is the first year that for some other reasons she couldn't be here at this time. So I decorated on my own. Sorry for the mom dancing. I'm not sure, Daan, if you're gonna leave that in, but if you do, you guys should know that when I do stuff around my house, I find really upbeat, high energy music. I blast that and I dance. It gives me energy. It makes it all more fun for me. So if you see me like, this is why. Now you know. So enough of me talking. Thank you guys so much for coming over. I do hope you will watch the rest of this video with the decorations, and you'll see like all the different areas of my home that I decorate. Let me know what you guys do, and I hope you enjoy it.
won't go